Hello YouTube viewers and subscribers. Today I have received Flitt. I don't know how it's spelled, but it is so-called selfie drone with integrated camera, and it's foldable, of course. So there are many similar items around the internet. Let's check out what's in the box. Nicely packed quick start guide. Let's open it. On multiple languages. It's good. Usually those drones come with just single sheet of some sort of guide or manual, but this is really big manual. Okay, we'll leave it for later. Let's see what's in here. It says accessories. Let's see what these accessories are. Spare propellers and prop guards. Good, let's put that aside. Charger. So everything is packed separately. As I thought, it is standard USB charger, and this is the battery. Okay, and finally this should be drone. Oh, it's so small. You can literally put it in your pocket. This is camera in front, and now I need to check the manual, and then I will continue with recording. There is a small sticker displaying how to remove the battery. I will charge the battery and see what this really is. There is no remote controller. That means it is operated by the mobile phone. All the parts are here. Let's charge the battery and check how it works. Okay, so actually this is battery charger, not the battery as I mentioned before, with USB port for charging. And to get the battery out of this, you need to push those on the sides, and I would suggest to open the arms so you can grab that battery and push it out. It comes a little bit harder than takes some pushing. Make sure you do it evenly, and it's very hard to grab it and take it out. This will be my first minus, is taking out the battery. Just pulled out. Looks like those connectors, power connectors, are holding really good. That's good. So you won't have power loss, but getting this out is quite tricky. Finally. So you can see these connectors are the power connectors, and they stick firmly into place. So to charge battery, all you have to do is stick this in the charger and provide power over the USB. Also with this comes these protectors. If you are flying indoors, I would suggest you to put them on and fly with prop guards, because of all the things flying indoors, like walls, doors, windows, will be in your path. Okay, let's continue charging the battery, and once it's charged I will try this little selfie drone. You need to download application from Google Play if you are using Android phone, or App Store. Is easy, just search for that application. Everything is in the manual. I'm using the Spanish manual. Where is the English one? Here. So all you need to do is download that application. This is main screen on your mobile phone. I mean, everything is explained, and it uses Wi-Fi connection to control this drone. So you'll have to connect your mobile phone with Wi-Fi to your drone and then fly it with your mobile phone. One more thing, in a product description it says optical flow position. It means it actually looks like it has a little camera down on the bottom, and that camera measures movement and tries to stabilize this drone. Front camera is movable, so it's not movable automatically. You have to set it manually. Depends on how high you're gonna go and record video or shoot some photographs. Video quality and resolution, it says it's 720p, and there is no slot for a SD card. So actually you're taking shot or video on your mobile phone. Now to check the quality, I will start this up and show you the quality of the video indoors and outdoors. There are three options for flying. One is low, medium and high. It means when you set it up on low, it will move very slowly and it's perfect for indoor flying. Medium also if you have a bigger room, and high is for outdoor flying, for fast movement of the drone. Charging the battery takes around 20 minutes, so it charges pretty quick. It's 900 milliamps 1S battery, and that's it. Now I'm going to show you the video footage. And there you can see indoor flying. There is no sound, of course, and image quality is quite okay. It is 720p resolution, but it is 22 frames per second, so it might be a little bit muddy or something, but it works. As you can also see, the The drone itself, it's a little bit wobbly, and of course for that price you cannot expect something to be perfect. Of course, I mean, this drone costs around 48 bucks, so $48. That sensor that it's down and tries to stabilize this drone. Looks like it works. Now, outdoor flying was very windy, and I try to make this drone as much stable as possible, but as I mentioned, it's very windy. Don't mind those short blackouts. It's something in post-production, and it is quite easy to command to this drone over your phone. I switched to medium. I thought maybe I should switch to higher rates because of the wind, and here again you can see that it is still wobbly. Of course, it doesn't have any GPS sensors and like more expensive drones have, but in conclusion, this is great toy for some flying, for your kids to learn how to fly and to take some shots. Maybe better to take some photographs than the videos because of this wobbling. You can actually get some really nice shots. That's it. Link to product is in video description as usual. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.